Hello guys, good morning, welcome to my vlog. It's cooking time. May minuto is this is my lemongrass, ginger, onion, and garlic, sayote, spinach, and chicken. My menu is ang gonna cook chicken tinola, yummy chicken tinola. This is my menu today, chicken tinola. The chicken is rich in protein. All this have good benefits for the body. This one antibiotic, natural antibiotic. And also this one good for the body. All of this onion, lemongrass, and ginger. And this one good for heart health, eye health, and to diet, because this is low calories and good for digestive system. And the spinach, high in fiber, nutrients, minerals, good for digestive system, to boost immunity, and good for the heart health, skin health, bone health. Vegetables and fruits is more healthy than the meat, because the meat high in cholesterol, high in fat and cholesterol. But the vegetable is rich in vitamins, minerals, nutrients. Most of the vegetable is high in fiber, antioxidant, anti-cancer properties, anti-inflammatory properties. I need to saute the chicken with all the ginger, lemongrass, garlic, onion. Anyway guys, if you like my video, don't forget to click like, heart, leave a comment, suggestion, and of course, don't forget to share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye. Happy Thursday everyone.